Here is Deep Search app. It's quite cool and trending app. It's going viral. You can just open it up. Here it is, Deep Search AI Search Assistant by Xstudios Mobile. I think there are also, this is not DeepSeek. This is not some other apps. So that's the idea. The main concept of this app is that it scans online presence of any person. So it's kind of like ChatGPT wrapper app where it's kind of using ChatGPT, like I don't know, OpenAI API or something. But the focus of this app is that it just finds information about individuals online, about celebrities, influencers, but also about any person. And it's very convenient. It's advanced by AI. With just a name, our search AI search assistant scans multiple platforms, letting you find people online quickly and conveniently. No more endless searching across multiple websites. Our social media profile discovery tool consolidates everything in a single easy-to-use interface. So why choose our people search and social media lookup app? Find social profiles easily, search by name, phone number, email, or username. Comprehensive background search, find friends online, reconnect with lost contacts, old classmates in just a few taps. Social media discovery, get insights into someone's online presence, including publicly available professional personal information. Stay informed, instantly see what's trending and discover who's being searched the most. Quick and simple searches. Powerful features at your fingertips, advanced social media finder, cross-platform search, publicly available background info. You can find people online in just a few seconds. Search history, popular searches. So there are so many use cases when you need this, just like networking enthusiast. So you can find someone online profile for your business. For recruiters and employers, you can check out your possible employee online history, journalists, and then also online daters. Right now in online dating, you just need to be sure that you're dating the right person, that it's safe to date that person. There is also an app called T-App for girls where you can just basically see which guys you are dating, what's their online presence, and so on. So pretty cool app. And then this is just how it looks like. So you can just see, like, for example, you just enter, for example, just as some star. You see all the social media accounts, you see all of the sources, quick summary of the profile. You can see again all of the social media profiles, but again, to access all of the sources and all online presence, you need to upgrade 7-day full access. It can be just $2 and then $7 per week, or yearly it can be $40 per year. And then you can just copy the result. Oh no, this is just you just sharing the app. Then you can delete this result, and then you can also have like who is currently dating, like for example, and then you need to upgrade, but you have all these different angles who are family members of someone, public mentions and news, social media and online presence. And then just again, you just so super easy to use. And then to enter some specific name, not a celebrity, you need to upgrade again. So that's just what you need to do, but it can be really helpful for dating. And it just scrapes the internet and finds what that person is about. So instead of you doing that yourself and spending like 2 hours doing that, this is like kind of AI summarizer, which helps you out with that. So pretty cool app. I don't know why it's not yet in top charts. Of course, there are bugs and glitches, and it's only paid version. It can become much better, but it's a really interesting angle of AI apps. So, try it out again. So this is the app I'm using, Deep Search AI Search Assistant by Xstudios. So try it out.